Let me unbox this item, which I ordered from Aliexpress, in a very affordable price. And it happens that you want to purchase this so you can check my video so you will have an idea about this device. By the way, this is delivered from China, so expect that you will receive the box in this condition, but don't worry, the item is safe, and it works perfectly well. Let's unbox this. Inside the box is this Type-C charging cable, but one minor problem is that they give an old stock cable. You can notice the scratches that turns into black, makes it more dirtier. Though it's not a big issue at all, because in a long run, it will get dirty. You can use any Type-C cable at all. Then the device itself, which very lightly in weight. Before that, we will take this manual, which it has English and Chinese language. At it says that it should be fully charged before using, and advised to use 5 volts and 2 ampere adapter to charge for better effect. So this fan that made of plastic, and it says the material used ABS/PP/element. Very light in weight. It can take power through power bank or the computer. So you have this buttons for lights, which it has different color options, and the gears, which you have the 3-speed option. You can take this in 180 degrees angle as advice. So this is where you can connect the Type-C cable. Let's turn it on. Guys, this fan is great, simple yet fashionable and very trendy. Really, it works. So, this are the color option you can take that fits your needs. Goodbye to old design which only fan. But with this, I can say this, putting with another touch, like adding light effect, it's really different. But I'm just a bit worried because aside of the fan, the light effect consumes the battery power also. Isn't it great another twist instead of just a fan itself? Your comments is highly appreciated. This may serve as dim light when the light is off. And for those content creators who go on live broadcast in social media apps, you can have this as well as light effect in my opinion. But one thing I'm annoyed is that the light indicator when it's on, as well as the battery or the motherboard of this device, it ruins the total light. It is really visible if you notice. Then you have the 3 gears for fan speed as well as corresponding the light indicator. For low speed, the light indicator is blue. For moderate speed, it's pink or purple light indicator. And for high speed, it's red light indicator. As you notice, it really works well and it is perfect for a desktop fan. In cleaning this fan, you need remove the fan cover by pushing the lock backwards. You cannot do it by pushing using your fingers, so you need some tools to push that, but be careful not to break those locks because those locks are fragile. You need to push 3 locks. Forgive me, I'm using the wrong tool. You need to use safer than this. And there you are. You just need to pull the fan blade and it's very easy. As you can see that the fan motor is very small. Well, this kind of motor is not for heavy duty, so please do not use this for longer hours. And since we just opened it, we will take a look at the fan motor by unscrewing these two screws. As you can see, this fan motor is very small, and longer usage can cause overheat, as I noticed the wiring seems so fragile. There you are, all are perfectly in back. And then we will talk about the battery. It says it has 1,800 mAh or milliampere hours and promises a long endurance. So let's check that. So when it's run out off battery, of course it will automatically off. There's no signal or light indicator that will notify it's running out of battery. But not totally drained. Still, there's 10% power left. So by using this tester, we will check how much the battery capacity has. And by the way, if you are charging, the red light indicator appears. Then I test this full charge, and I'm using the changing color effects. Then the level 3 high speed, it takes 2 hours and 30 minutes of my usage. Well, as promised, as the manual says, it has long endurance for battery. Well, thumbs up for that. For full charge, it takes almost 4 hours, and when it's full battery, the blue light indicator appears. Then in my test, it has 1,235 mAh or milliampere hours, well combining the power left in the battery, because it is not totally drained. If I may say, 10% left more or less, plus the 1,235 my test, so it has 78% battery total capacity. Not bad at all. If my test was wrong, you may comment below. Thanks for watching. Your likes and comment is highly appreciated.